So you're looking to purchase a home with country charm and a peaceful environment with a nice big fenced-in yard? Well, I may have just the house for you. This is 7591 Washington Street in Sutter. It's 1,410 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, currently listing for $524,000. It sits on a little more than a third of an acre. Before we go on a tour through it, I want to give you a little background of this home. This used to be the home of Judge Haynes, and the seller is the great-great-granddaughter of Judge Haynes and his wife. And my seller used to visit her great-grandmother in this home years ago when she was a little girl. And when she purchased it about a year ago, she wanted to restore it in honor of her grandparents. It was in pretty rough shape. Well, I hope you enjoyed your tour of this beautiful home. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. My number is 530-566-5085. And until then, I will see you around town.